Good day, ladies and gentlemen. It's an honor for us today to stand in front of you to deliver a presentation. The topic of our presentation is coconut husk and waste plastic as an alternative particle board. In this presentation, I will cover three main points. First, the introduction. Second is the statement of the problem. And third is the objectives. First, I would like to talk about the introduction. Coconut husks are often found in tropical countries and are discarded. Coconut fibers have many practical capabilities and uses. That is why it is used in many experimental studies. Globally, 2.1 billion tons of waste were produced by humanity annually and has been a threat to the environment for such a long term. Production of boards with the use of coconut fibers. There are many considerable solvents used in dissolving plastic waste. For the statement of the problem, can waste plastic be used as binder for coconut fibers in making particle board? Does plastic affect the composition of coconut fibers as particle board? Is there a significant difference between coconut fibers and waste plastic as binder to synthetic binders? And lastly, for the objectives. Our objectives is to see if coconut husk and waste plastic can be used as natural composite in producing particle boards. And also to prove if waste plastic can be used as potential binder. And also to know if there is a significant difference between alternative binder to synthetic binder. For the methodology and results in discussion, here's Rejan M. Tamnyola.
So, for the methodology, to make the alternative particle board, the researchers need to prepare coconut husk. The first step was gathering. The researchers gathered coconut husks on some barangays in Balayan. The second and third step was soaking and drying, and after that, the researchers collected recycled styrofoam and dissolved it. Lastly, the researchers gathered all of the materials that they have and made an alternative particle board. So, for the results and discussion, there is no significant difference between the coconut fibers and waste plastic used as binders in comparison to synthetic binders, according to the findings of the test the researchers conducted, particularly the weight test to measure the stress and strain that the board suffered. And so, for the conclusion and recommendation, here is James U. Haboneta.
The researchers have concluded that there is no significant difference between the use of plastic as a binder compared to synthetic binder. Two particle boards were put under load with weights that weigh 1, 2, and 3 kilograms. In comparing the two boards, the particle board with synthetic binder showed to be more stiffer than the one with the dissolved plastic. Plastic binder made the board more flexible and elastic. The researchers compared the results using SPSS with the use of independent t-test as its statistical treatment. The comparison between the two boards showed no significant difference. Therefore, the researchers will accept the null hypothesis. And based on the findings, there are still improvements that can be done to further analyze the capabilities of the composite. The researchers recommend to gather more materials in order to supply the production of the boards, increasing its fiber density to ensure the board to have a tighter bond, increasing the amount of the adhesive to make the board stiffer and durable, and having more tests to have more analysis on the capabilities of the particle board with the use of different materials.